Look.
Hey, let me see. Well, I could do a music video like this.
Oh, like it?
It look good too. Wow, look. Shit. Hey!
Girl, give me that.
Hold on. Let me just test something out real quick. Hold on.
All thing is, I don't know why.
Yeah, that's probably what you need to do. Get it disconnected from Alexa.
No, Mama.
Huh?
The panel is on there. You can't put it on the door.
Do it come with a panel?
It's on there. It's got a little key to take the panel off.
Huh?
Yeah, it's got a clear picture too.
Do it show better than the other one?
I see all up there nostrils. You got boogers and shit up the nose.
Wait, so if I just put it on the panel, it won't work?
It's gonna work because that's a newer model ring.
Oh, and I see because the hooks are sideways.
Mm-hmm.
So I gotta put a new one up there?
Yeah, it's on the back of the thing that you got in your hand. I got the key to take it off. Dang.
Huh? I'm trying to see if we got work tonight. They ain't said nothing. I ain't trying to be snowed in nowhere. I ain't do this. I'm gonna put them on the door now. Shoot.
Really? You burnt in my goddamn gone face. Oh, look what you look like. Oh my God, look at your hair. You like something from the, look, take it away from your earphone just a little bit.
Paging Dr. Martin!
You like a horse. Look. Really?
Is it recording?
I don't
like.
Yes. Oh, girl, I'm putting that.
Facebook, because TikTok don't exist no more. They are?
Yeah.
Damn. That's bad news for us upcoming artists.
So weird. Look at your eyes. Ooh, look. Ooh. Screenshot. Look at your.
Oh my God.
Digging your fucking nose.
No.
You're so nasty.